What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So I'm taking my 2017 Honda Crf250L down to my grandpa's farm, do a little off-road riding. It's been a minute since I've actually got to ride off-road. Just been doing street bike stuff on my MT-07, so glad to get back in the dirt. So hopefully we're gonna get some decent footage today, I guess. I'm off of work, and any day off of work is a good day, so I'm gonna head down there now. To the beach. This is not the ocean right here. Not that we're actually going to the ocean, to be fair. If this was not quite as tall, that would make this a million times better. It's kind of hectic. I was doing this earlier with just a short sleeve t-shirt on, and that was a really bad idea. So my arms got super itchy. The beach. Definitely some sand. And there is the baby ocean. That's not an ocean. Good old creek. So peaceful down here. So I was riding through some super thick grass a second ago. Went to hit the brake, and my brake is just like behind all this grass. Probably not ideal. Alright, well now I have a rear brake again. So dumb. I don't know why it keeps getting caught on the brake. It's not getting caught on the shifter side for some reason. Whatever. So a couple weekends ago, me and some of my buddies came down here, and one of them has a Lexus SUV, and he ended up going up that, which is actually pretty spicy, to be honest, especially for an SUV. He ended up like hitting the front bumper and the rear bumper. Pretty rowdy. And this used to be the road, and as you might be able to tell, it doesn't do road stuff anymore. So the road went right through here, and the nice old creek's taking it back. Pretty rowdy. Like a couple months ago, you could just drive through this. Like, it was not, there was no creek right there. It was going through where the bridge is, but that's all stopped up now. So yeah, Nature is taking back its property. Respect its authority. Now I gotta try and turn around. It's gonna be annoying. Come on. Oh. Got some nice sand mixed in with this. Makes it a little more interesting. It is super cool down here. Love it, love it. So now go through here. The water goes through there. That looks a lot deeper on a dirt bike than it did on my dad's side by side last weekend, but we made it happen. Yeah, so now the gravel bar is like better than the road that doesn't exist anymore. It's kind of crazy because the road was supposed to be over there. It is straight up non-existent now. So this is just like legitimately the gravel bar. Then the road used to go just on the other side of those trees through. I think I may try and go through the creek, which I may regret because it's gonna be pretty deep. Okay. It's a little slimy, but it's fine. Yeah, so the road like came out right there, and now it's just straight up taking it. It up, knocked that ginormous tree down, and pretty wild. And I messed up and pulled too far forward. Gonna back it up like a Tonka truck. Is a little slimy, but it's okay. It's okay. It's funny, there's so many people that have been driving on this. It's like packed it down to where there's like sand and everything, but it just keeps packing it down to where it's like super easy to drive on now. First time I came back here, then it was not as easy to drive back here. So yeah, there's those giant tin horns right there. And then that giant pass over there, and it's just straight up not going through it at all. And then people have dammed that up, and then there's two dams down there that are actual beaver dams, but that one's a human, the human dams. Yeah, the gravel clogged it all up, and now it's just going around all the concrete. It's pretty wild. Oh well. conditioning, much like the reverse gear on this bike, does not work very well. Oh. Hashtag moist. This is a road too. It seemed like a road. Well, that's wild. All right. So this was a road, like an actual road that well, as much of an actual road as like that sketchy road right there was. This is like a straight up road. And then the creek washed it out, and then there's a car that like literally went down into the creek because they did not have anything like this up tell people the road was out, so they just literally just went off into the creek. It was like that drop off right there, just right into the creek, flipped over. It was wild. I had a picture of it. I conveniently don't have that picture anymore. It was a pretty wild picture, so that's pretty inconvenient. Alright, it's hot. I'm gonna start going again. Spinning ain't winning, as they say. Yeah, that's right. That's where I was spinning and not winning. Yep, still just spinning and not winning. Ah, I'm also in second gear. Yep. Yep, that'll do it. So I was just flipping the clutch like crazy and didn't realize it. Amateur hour. Oh, big oof. That was a big dead something.